YouTube video on. 2014 bike check. Here we go. Frame is a Fit Aikens 1. Just got it not too long ago. So bars. These are ramp bars, 8.75 Riot, Rain Arrow. Shout out to Spirits to Spin. Beat up a little bit. Alright, Douglas bearing, Mission Cat. Weedy People Sport. Got a little dent or something like that. Front ram is a Rain Arrow female rim. It's pretty decent. It's working for me. Split tire, 2.25 FAF. Animal pedals. I'm gonna get new ones, probably Demolition, if anything. The sprocket, I think it's probably like a Primo or something like that. These cranks came off Volume Sledgehammer. Pretty decent. Primo Mix back rim. It's pretty fucking light, to be honest with you. Seat, Animal, Signature, Nigel for Sylvester. On the other side. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.
What about pegs?
Pegs? We're just ordinary pegs. Almost a DK back one. The fuck it is. Alright.